The 7 countries with the most Muslims in the world. Number 7. Turkey. With over 82 million Muslims, Turkey is home to a significant Muslim community, making up approximately 4.4% of the global Muslim population. Number 6. Egypt. Egypt has a substantial Muslim population, with more than 94 million Muslims, representing about 5.1% of the world's Muslim population. Number 5. Nigeria. Nigeria is home to a rapidly growing Muslim population, with over 100 million Muslims, making up approximately 5.4% of the global Muslim population. Number 4. Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a sizable Muslim population, with over 160 million Muslims, accounting for about 8.6% of the world's Muslim population. Number 3. India. India hosts one of the world's largest Muslim populations, with over 195 million Muslims, making up approximately 10.5% of the global Muslim population. Number 2. Pakistan. Pakistan has a significant Muslim population, with over 204 million Muslims, representing about 10.9% of the world's Muslim population. And the number 1 is, tell me in the comment, who is number 1?